In today's video, we're going to explore 3 of the best voice recorder apps for Android. If you're looking to capture lectures, meetings, or personal notes with ease, these apps are perfect for you. Join us as we discuss their features and help you find the best voice recorder for your needs. Voice Recorder Plus. Voice Recorder Plus is a feature-rich audio recording app that offers high-quality recordings with a user-friendly interface. This app supports various audio formats, including MP3 and WAV, allowing users to choose the best format for their needs. Voice Recorder Plus also includes features like noise reduction, playback options, and the ability to organize recordings into folders. Additionally, users can easily share their recordings via email or messaging apps, making it a great choice for anyone who needs a versatile and efficient voice recorder. Easy Voice Recorder. Easy Voice Recorder is a straightforward and intuitive app designed for quick and hassle-free audio recording. The app allows users to record meetings, lectures, and personal notes with just a few taps. It supports high-quality PCM and MP4 formats and offers features like cloud integration for easy backup and file sharing. The interface is clean and simple, making it accessible for all users, whether you're a beginner or someone with more experience. Easy Voice Recorder also has a pro version that unlocks additional features such as widgets and stereo recording capabilities. Simple Voice Recorder. Simple Voice Recorder is a no-frills app designed for users who want an efficient and easy-to-use voice recording tool. The app allows users to record audio without unnecessary distractions and features a minimalist design. It supports various recording formats and offers basic playback options, making it perfect for quick note-taking or recording important conversations. Users can easily save and manage their recordings, and the app's straightforward functionality makes it suitable for everyone, regardless of technical expertise. Thank you for watching our video on the best voice recorder apps for Android. We hope these recommendations help you choose the perfect app to simplify your audio recording experience. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.